Hello and welcome back to my channel. So the concept for today's video is taking 10 household items you already have lying around your house, and I will be sharing with you new, exciting, unexpected ways you can use those items. We're upcycling, we're getting more value, more use, more bang for your buck out of things you already have lying around your house. Also, let me know if you notice anything different about today's video. Does the audio sound different? Do the visuals look a little crisper, sharper? Let me know in the comments what you think. I would love your feedback. Big thank you to Thrive Market for sponsoring today's video. And also don't forget to subscribe or follow me if you are new here. And with all of that said, we're gonna get started with our first household item. You probably already have a shower cap. You can use a shower cap to keep your appetizers nice and cool. So let's say you're hosting a party, you have some cold appetizers, a salad, shrimp cocktail, potato salad, whatever it may be. Instead of letting it sit out and get warm, all you need to do, take your shower cap, fill it with ice, and then put your serving dish right on top, and it's gonna keep it nice and cool. Then when you're done, when the party's over, use that same shower cap to cover your leftovers. Third use for the shower cap that I have been doing for very many years. Anytime I travel, I put my shoes in a shower cap. So that way the bottom of your shoes are not touching all the rest of your stuff in your luggage or gym bag. Next household item we're gonna get more use out of is the French press. Not just for coffee, ladies and gentlemen. First, other way I like to use my French press is to rinse off my grains, my rice before cooking. So you could put your quinoa, your rice in here, fill it with water, let it sit for a minute, and then push it down, pour out the water, and you're good to go. My favorite way to use my French press is to make my loose leaf teas. I love tea. I've always loved tea. I think we all know loose leaf tea is superior, but it just seems kind of fussy. Put your loose leaf tea right here in your French press with hot water. Let it steep, live its best life in the hot water, and when you're ready to drink it, you know what the drill. Push it down, pour it into your teacup, and you have beautiful, flavorful loose leaf tea. This is my favorite way to do it. You don't need some other random contraption. Just use your French press. You can make frothed milk, and you could even make whipped cream using this guy. So put in your milk of choice in here, and then all you need to do, start pumping it up. And this will create a beautiful frothed milk. So you can make your at-home lattes, cappuccino, and you don't need another device. And if you use heavy whipping cream and keep going with it, you can actually make whipped cream using this, and it is quite fast and efficient. Next item is the garment steamer. Did you know that this steamer also is a sanitizer? By using this hot steam, it kills 99.9% of bacteria, germs. So you can use this to sanitize around your house. What I recommend you do at least once a year, if not twice a year, use this to sanitize your mattress, because you don't even really want to think about everything that's living in there, okay? Strip your mattress down, get your steamer, and put that hot steam all over your mattress. Then open all your windows, let it fully air dry before you then go on and add the rest of your bedding to it, and it will be nice and refreshed. You can also use your garment steamer to help get out really nasty set-in stains from your carpet. Let's say you don't have an upholstery cleaner. This guy will really loosen and get rid of those set-in stains. What I do is I use my Folex first, and you get your steamer and you slowly put the steam over the stain, and it will help loosen it, and you will be shocked. Some old set-in stains can be removed. And lastly, anything that is sticky, stuck on price tags, labels, you can get all of that off very easily with your little mini steamer. Hun, have you seen my garment steamer? I can't find it anywhere.
No, sorry. I haven't seen it. Definitely haven't seen it.
Next up, I'm gonna share with you 3 ways to get even more from your Thrive Market membership, because I feel like a lot of you who follow me are already Thrive members. If you are not yet, now is the time. Today is the day. If you've not yet heard of Thrive Market, think of it as like Whole Foods, better for you, higher quality food and household items at Walmart prices. Thrive is an online membership market where you get locked into their membership savings and you save a lot. You can reduce your annual grocery bill by up to 30%. Like, these are big savings. I even have the receipts, okay? So on this order that just came in today, I saved $42 $2.96 versus if I got this at Whole Foods or the regular grocery store. You can see there right on the app how much you're saving. And my first tip when you're shopping on Thrive Market, start in the deals section. So you can open the app, on the bottom it says deals. There they'll show you the items that are either new or they're at even more of a discount. Go through there and you can get even crazier deals. Thrive Market is the absolute best place to get your organic wines. Most mass-produced wines are covered in pesticides. You do not want that. I also get some of our supplements from Thrive at a better cost even than Amazon. And if you ever do find a better price anywhere else, Thrive does price match. You can search by diet, food allergy, even by value, and you can find all the items that meet your criteria so fast, so easy. I have all my favorites already saved. And last little bonus tip, you can save an additional 5 to 10% on all of the items if you do auto ship, which is what I do. I get my monthly box. If you are not yet a Thrive member, I have a special link down in the description box that is going to get you 30% off your first order. So stock up on everything you need, save 30%, and you're gonna get a free gift up to a $50 value. So that link again is going to be down in the description box. Could not recommend Thrive more. You know I really love something when I have my entire family using it. Next up, something else you probably already have in your house somewhere is one of these hanging shoe racks. This is what inspired this entire video because I went over to my mom's house and I closed the bathroom door. This was hanging on the back of the door and she had all of her lip gloss collection in here, and wow. I mean, it filled up this entire shoe rack with just her lipsticks, and I thought, that's clever. So first idea, use this for makeup storage in your bathroom. Next idea here, you can cut out the bottoms and use this to store all of your gift wrapping supplies. So your wrapping paper will be nice and contained in here, and then you could put your tape, scissors, bows, and have a little wrapping station nice and organized. Your waffle iron. I actually have this little mini waffle iron, it was like $10, and I get so much use out of this. So first and foremost, if you are not making cinnamon rolls on your waffle maker, you're doing it wrong. It is so much faster to make. It has the little grid pattern on there, and you know what that does? Perfect little cups to pour that glaze into. Next, make your grilled cheese, or frankly, any type of panini style sandwich on a waffle maker. My kids love grilled cheese, so just put it right on here and it will cook both sides at the same time. You don't also need a panini maker, just use this. And oh my goodness, make your brownies on a waffle maker. Thank me later. All you have to do, get your regular pre-made brownie mix, add 1 extra egg, cook it on here. It takes only a few minutes. You can keep it in extra long if you like the crispy brownie bits like I do. So incredibly good. Put some ice cream on top. Woo! Now I'm hungry. Next up is a pizza cutter. Don't just use it for cutting pizza, okay? We gotta think outside the pizza box. First thing, I always use my pizza cutter to chop my herbs. It is so much smoother and faster. Also, I don't know if it's just me, if I'm weird, but I very strongly prefer a chopped salad, just easier to bite and eat. So you can also take your pizza cutter and your salad bowl and just run it through and get a nice chopped salad in seconds. And if you have kids like I do, I use my pizza cutter to cut things into kid-sized, bite-sized bits. Pancakes, slicing the crust off of bread, even taking spaghetti and cutting it into little smaller bites for the kids. Your coffee grinder works great as a little mini alternative food processor. So you can put nuts in there, even crackers, cookies, blend it up and you have a nice little crumbly topping. And also use your coffee grinder to make spice blends or to blend your spices. Your spices are always gonna taste best if you're freshly grinding them. So peppercorns, cardamom. Last thing we're gonna talk about, getting more use out of your washing machine. Some things you can wash in there that you might not know, you might not be using it for. First, if you have any yoga mats or workout mats, you can put those in your washing machine. Just put them on a cool, delicate cycle. Get all that gunk, sweat, nastiness off of those. Next, you can clean your car mats and bathroom rugs. And lastly, when was the last time you washed your pillows? I mean, it's one of those things that a lot of us don't think to do. You can wash any pillow, even down synthetic foam. You can wash all your pillows in the washing machine, believe it or not. Wash them on a warm, delicate cycle. And the key here is you do want to do an extra rinse cycle just to make sure all of that detergent is thoroughly rinsed out, and you can let them air dry or have them on air fluff or low heat dry in the dryer, and you're gonna have like new fluffy pillows again. You also can do this with your kids' stuffed animals. So I hope you guys liked the concept for this video of new creative uses and hacks using things you already have. And also don't forget my absolute favorite way to save a whole lot of money on better for you household items and groceries, Thrive Market. I do have a code to save 30% off your first order and get a free gift up to a $50 value. So I will have my link down below, and I'll also put some of my Thrive Market favorites in the description box. So with all of that said, thank you as always so much for watching, and I will see you soon with a new video.